I tried calling you also. Yeah. So we're going to have a small quiz by Aditya Mubai, the quiz master, yeah, from Quizcraft.
Okay. This is not really a full quiz. I'm just going to run a few questions, and this is a quiz that we did for Delhi. In 1912, Delhi was declared to be the New Delhi was declared to be the new capital of British India. So, to commemorate 100 years of being the capital of India, we did a quiz in Delhi. We got a lot of teams. Some companies came in, groups of friends got together and came to take part. Anyone, basically, who felt that Delhi was their city. Because all too often it's felt that Delhiites don't consider Delhi to be their real city. They're all people from XYZ place who've come here, but there's no sense of ownership or possession of the city, which is why they filthy it up, which is why they're ready to fight with each other. But just a few questions, and this is to highlight one format that we use, which is going beyond words. So it's just images, and if you guys are from Delhi, you will be able to put these together to form well-known localities of Delhi. Okay, so if we can have the stage lights just killed, please. The powers in front. Can we have those big powers killed off? Okay, now there are two images here. The left image represents one word. The image on the right represents another word. Think beyond language. You can mix English, Hindi, whatever. Can anyone tell me what place, famous place in Old Delhi, this symbolizes? Yes? Chandni Chowk, absolutely. That's moonlight or Chandni on one side, and that's a chalk. Fantastic. Devendra picking up the points or whatever there, or the kudos. Next one, another place in Old Delhi. And someone asked me, what the hell is this? Like, there are so many taps. So I said, yes. Bara Tuti, sir. Sir, Bara Tutiyan hai. सर आप एक ही आंख से देख रहे होंगे, दूसरी से 6 और दिख जाती. But Bara Tuti is the correct answer. And people really liked this format because, you know, they don't have to read anything. It's not a simple question and answer session. There's another one, and not a very popular figure on the right, but very relevant for this question. Another place, locality in Old Delhi, famous for a poet. Ji, Ghalib is the poet. What is the locality? On the left. On the right. Who's that guy on the right? Anyone? No one from Old Delhi. On the right is a well-known businessman, head of the Sun Group of Industries. That is Kalanidhi. That is Balli Maran is the right one. That's Kalanidhi Maran, and those are a lot of Balliyan. I mean, this is actually easier for North Indians because in construction, when the props that you use to support the shuttering planks, उनको बल्लियाँ कहते हैं. तो वो बल्लियाँ हैं और बल्ली मारा है. Mayur Vihar, fantastic. That's the way to go. On the left is a Moor or Mayur, and on the right is an old Buddhist Vihar. Sheikh Sarai. See, quizzing is that simple. It's that interactive. Khyber Pass. Yeah, actually, you know, I've forgotten what this question was. No, okay, I've got it. Yeah. It's not Kher. Just a clue. It's not Kher. Why Saket? Anupam Cinema, no, but then... No, left pe kya hai? River. Large water body. हिंदी उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं उसको? Not Anupam. Then, Stanzin, then Anupam would have been on the left. No. Not. Very good try. Very good try. Please give him a big round of applause. But it's not correct. Daryaganj is the right one. There comes the answer. वो दरिया है और वो गंज है सामने. Of course, I could joke about this before I got my head in the same situation. This one, Chanakyapuri, correct. On the left is Chanakya. It's a picture from that TV show. And on the right is Om Puri. Okay, there's a few more questions. We're in a girls' college, but Aung San Suu Kyi, another one. Okay, this is someone from Delhi who will be able to identify this. If Hauz Khas is 16, Malviya Nagar is 17, Vikaspuri is 18, what fills in the blank? Kalkaji. Kalkaji is the right answer. The Kalkaji is the place that gives that pin code. All the other surrounding areas are subservient to it. Sir, it's 19. My office is in Kalkaji. Its pin code is 19. Yeah. Absolutely correct. There speaks experience. आप गए थे Professor Arora के पास? You know him well enough? Client? Anyone who has come into Delhi by train will know Professor Arora of Regarpura. And the last one, Willingdon Crescent, Mother Teresa Crescent. I think we'll end it here because this can go on. I have like 25,000 questions in here. Well, not in here, but with me. So let's stop it here. Thank you very much. It's just a flavor. So you have simple questions, direct question and answer ones like this, and you have interactive ones which take you beyond literacy, actually. So you don't have to know how to read a question. You just need to know the words for particular places. You put them together. It gets you to think a little outside the box. You're using different faculties, different intelligences of yours to get the required answers. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Aditya.